Hello, I'm Leah. I'm a master gardener in Sonoma County here at the Harvest for the Hungry Garden, and I'm here to talk to you about your best friends forever in the garden, which are earthworms. And before we do that, though, I want to ask you a riddle. Why did the earthworm cross the wet, rainy sidewalk? It's always a mystery, but scientists think they have an answer, and I'll tell you at the end. So earthworms are incredibly helpful as your beneficial friends in the garden. They can live for 1 to 6 years, so we have to be really kind to them. And they do some very important things. They help the soil keep water and help that water infiltrate down. They also help bring oxygen to the soil so it's nice and light and loamy and good for you to plant. And then they eat a very rich diet and excrete castings that are full of good benefits for your plants and their roots. So those castings help stimulate plant growth, and they aid in all the microfauna that live in your soil. Those eat some of those castings also. And then they also help the network of fungus, the mycorrhizal network that helps the plant roots kind of survive and do better. So how can you help the earthworms? Well, the first thing is to never till. Just let the earthworms do their thing. Don't dig into the soil unless you're planting something and then you just dig that small hole. Let the earthworms do everything else. And then cover your soil with compost and mulch so that you have a nice thick layer and they have lots to eat. And as for the riddle, why did they cross the sidewalk? It seems like they just want to go to other new places, like a lot of people do, and explore and, be there. And they need to travel when it's wet. They can't travel on a sidewalk when it's dry. So that's the answer to the riddle. Have a great day.